Hello, future business creators.
Today, we're going to learn how to start your very own online business from nothing and make it something special in just 30 days.
And guess what? You can do it with just $500 or less.
This plan is perfect for starting an online store, offering digital services like drawing or gaming help, or even making fun videos or blogs. Ready to create something amazing?
Let's start.
Step 1. Hop onto social media. Think of social media as a big party where everyone meets. If you want to start an online store, you can show off your creative products on Instagram or Facebook. For just a little money each day, lots of people can see what you're selling.
Use a tool like Canva to make your pictures super cool and colorful.
Step 2. Use awesome digital tools. There are free tools that help you organize your posts.
Hootsuite or Buffer can schedule when your posts go live, so you don't have to be online all the time.
Plus, Google Analytics can tell you how many people visit your site and what they love the most. Step 3. Discover the SEO secret. SEO is like a magic trick that helps people find your business when they search online.
Use important words related to what you're selling or doing.
Plugins like Yoast SEO can guide you to pick the best words. Step 4. Make exciting content. If you love making videos or writing, start a blog or a YouTube channel. Share fun stories or tips about what you do.
This helps people trust you and want to visit again and again. It also makes your website more popular.
Step 5. Team up for success. Think about your favorite superhero team. Just like that, you can partner with influencers or other small businesses. This way, you both share and help each other out, reaching more people together without spending extra money. Step 6. Check your progress. Every superhero checks their progress to see how they're doing.
Use analytics to see what's working and what's not.
If something isn't working, change your plan a little bit. Thinking about ROI, return on investment. Okay, here's the fun part, ROI, or how much money you can make back.
Let's imagine you start an online store selling cool stickers.
You spend $5 a day on ads, and by the end of 30 days, you sell $600 worth of stickers.
That means you made $450 more than you spent.
If you keep following these smart steps and change things as you learn, your small business can grow bigger and bigger.
And there you have it. With these steps, you can turn your idea from nothing into something great.
Remember, it's all about being creative, working together, and having fun while you learn.
You've got the power to make your business shine. Let's start this amazing journey today.
@WeNeedEachOther_now